Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And welcome to this tutorial on how to edit video using the Capcut. Capcut is a powerful and easy to use video editing app that allows you to create stunning videos with just a few taps. In this course, we'll guide you through the essential steps to edit your videos using Capcut. Step 1. Download and install Capcut. To start, download the Capcut app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Import your videos. To start editing your videos, tap on the New Project button and import the videos you want to edit. You can either choose from your device's gallery or upload a video from the internet. Step 3. Arrange your videos. Now that you have your videos imported, it's time to arrange them in the desired order. Simply drag and drop the videos on the timeline to create a seamless flow. Step 4. Add text and graphics. To add text and graphics to your videos, tap on the text or graphics button and choose from a variety of fonts, colors and styles. You can also adjust the size, position, and duration of the text or graphics. Step 5. Apply transitions and effects. To make your videos more engaging, apply transitions and effects to the clips. Capcut offers a wide range of transitions and effects to choose from. Simply tap on the clip, select effects or transitions, and choose the one you like. Step 6. Sync audio with your videos. To ensure your videos are complete, sync the audio with the videos by adjusting the volume and sync it with the video's duration. Additionally, you can add sound effects to enhance the overall experience. Step 7. Export and share your videos. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap on the Export button to save your project as a video file. You can then share your videos with friends, family, or upload them to social media platforms. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the full course on how to edit video using Capcut. With this knowledge, you're ready to create amazing videos that showcase your creativity and skills. Happy editing!